In this video, you'll see how to stream on TikTok using a Mac. Let's get started. First, go to Google and download Streamlabs. Here, choose your processor, whether it's Intel or an M-series chip. Then install the program. Now open Streamlabs. Click Live Streaming. Create an ID if you don't already have one. I already have mine, so I'll log in. Here, you can log in directly with your TikTok account, but if you want to multi-stream, consider signing in with YouTube or Twitch instead. Select Start Fresh. Now, click here. And here's where you'll need to add everything: your microphone, system audio, screen capture, camera, etc. Great, now click on Settings. Go to the Video tab and enable Dual Output. Then click on Vertical and set it to 1080 by 1920. Nice. Now we have the vertical output ready. Just adjust all the elements you added earlier to fit the vertical layout. Next, go back to Settings. And this time go to the Stream tab. If you created your account earlier using YouTube, Twitch, or another platform, now you'll need to link your TikTok account. Click Merge, then Continue. All right, now click on Go Live. Then click Add Destination. Choose TikTok. Make sure TikTok is set to vertical. And that's it, guys. But if you can't go live on TikTok because you don't have 1,000 followers, you can apply for access by clicking here. It usually takes less than 24 hours. Just fill out the form and wait. Thanks for watching.